We have an older Mercedes here, needed our help. It's about 20 years old or so, with about 230,000 miles. They needed some help here. They were really bad. I mean, you get to a certain point with the age, they need help. Very hazy. See that? Off the side, it looks horrible. But we took care of business. There you go. Not bad for a car that's over 20 years old with over 200,000 miles on it. We brought it back. Headlight restoration, Broward County, Florida, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach counties. Give us a call, 754-302-0769. We're fully mobile. We come to your home, work, or office. Text us the pictures of your headlights. Give us a call, 754-302-0769. Thank you.